Sometimes one would want to convert, the Lemniscate equation that you have in polar cooled to rectangular coordinates. Well, how can we accomplish this? Well, the process is very similar to what we did. But suppose I'm talking about coordinates. So x, theta, and anytime you have polar coordinates, what does the grid look like? Surface. Let's see. Eventually, what do these say? No. That's not unusual. I'm guessing that. So no plans to become an artist. As you can see. Bunch of concentric circles. I have a polar grid. Let's see. I have a point, and the point is P. What is the polar coordinate? Or what are the polar coordinates corresponding to P? Point P would correspond to right theta 72 degrees. And I want to convert this to the rectangular system. Any thoughts on as to how we can do this? It's pretty straightforward. X is equal to r cosine theta. And y equals r sine theta. And that's what we use to go from rectangular to polar. So that's got to do, or has to play a role. Do we have r? Which is 3. We have theta, so cosine 72 degrees. If you have the calculator, you tell me what we'll take a guess. Should be close to 1/2 or close to 1. Don't you? Is it going to be between 0 and 1/2 or 1/2 and 1?
0 and 1/2.
Why, Jay? In that,
It's 72 degrees.
72 degrees.
So it's between 0 and 90, which is pi over 2, 0.
Well, but my question was, is it going to be between 0 and 1/2 or 1/2 and 1? You said 0 and 1/2, 1.
Oh, 72 is, it's times 3. So it's greater. It's, I don't remember the exact answer.
You think it's going to be between 1/2 and 1. Why?
Because 72 degrees is greater than 1/4. Like in that little quadrant.
Okay.
I don't know if that's like.
I mean, you're getting there, but any other thoughts? What is cosine pi over 2? 0. Clearly, you're going this way, right? 1 hint. The other, well, 60 degrees is over here. What is cosine 60? Root 2. Peter? 1 over root 2. You have to calculate it. Cosine 60. Sine pi over 3. 0.5. 0.5. 0 has to be between 0 and 0.5. You can sort of verify your answer as you go along. So 3 comma, what do you get? Don't have a calculator. Cosine 72 degrees. What is that, 72?
0.309.
Good. Now, how do we find y? We have r, we have sine, excuse me, theta. So 3 comma sine 72 degrees. This time, is it going to be between 0 and 1/2 or 1/2 and 1? Check.
Remember how I like, 'cause I'm just seeing it and I'm not like able to explain it.
Riley. Riley says 1/2 to 1. Jack, can you hear Riley? Okay, explain it to us.
There's pi over 2 sine is 1 and it's closer to pi over 2 than it is to 0.
Good. So the angle is closer to pi over 2 than it is to 0. And not only that, we know sine 60 is square root of 3 over 2, which is 0.8667. And that is close to 1, so it has to be close to 1, so 3 times what do we have?
951.
951, 125 is 2. You get 2.853. Do you verify on that one? I want you to find the radius, find the appropriate polar coordinate, then convert it to rectangular coordinate. Oh,
What degree is that?
you can't see.
287.
So each circle increases by units, so it's 1, 2, 3.
No, the degree, I can't read the number.
Oh, 282 degrees. What are the rectangular?
0.831, negative 3.93.
So we know the radius here is 1. And theta is given to you 282 degrees. We want to convert, so x is r cosine theta, y r sine theta, r is all sine 282 degrees, or sine 282 degrees. And would make sure you have your calculator in radians mode. Excuse me, degrees mode, not in radians mode, because it is given, the angle is given in degrees. So what do we get? What is an easier way to check or check your answer without doing a lot of smart sort of guess? And you know, at least make sure that you are headed in the right direction, or you have the correct answer. I'll warn you that that graph is not accurate, it's poorly drawn, but 282 degrees is close to y-axis, yes. It's somewhere over here. It's down here. Well, should the y coordinate be positive or negative, even before you start? Has to be negative. If you get a positive number, wrong answer. Pretty far from zero, so -3 makes sense. If this was drawn properly, the 282 pretty close to the y-axis, and it's right over here. So the x coordinate, it has to be close to 0.81, 1.5. 0.82. So without doing any other calculation, you can sort of verify the answer just by visualizing as to where this point is lying, in which quadrant, what quadrant. The given point lies in the quadrant, does the corresponding rectangular coordinates. Does it form the same quadrant? It does. Agreed?